What's up, guys? It's Mr. Fit to Flourish, and today I wanted to talk about the number one game plan for 2025 when it comes to options trading or trading in general. And you might be like, oh, like I want to learn how to invest too. Like, oh, I want futures, I want that. And I think the reason that a lot of people are not doing good when it comes to trading, a lot of retail traders, is you never master anything. You try to be the master of everything. So your attention is spread way too thin. So I used to be a dabbler, and that's what most retail traders are. That's why the statistics say 95 to 99% of retail traders fail when it comes to trading, investing, all that good stuff. Because your attention is spread too thin, and then you don't treat it like a professional sport. So I'm going to tell you exactly the game plan for 2025 for if you're new to trading, you want to learn how to trade, and for how I'm going to do this as someone who's been in the game for a little bit. Okay. So number one, if you're new to the game, you need a goal and set that bar kind of low right now. Okay, in the beginning, set the bar pretty low. When it comes to trading, this is a professional sport, so you need to make sure that you're giving yourself enough time to become great. Professionals, no, let me do it like this. Amateurs practice until they get it right, and then they're done. They're like, okay, I'm good. I got it right. One time. Professionals practice until they can't get it wrong. Okay, so in 2025, you can't be just waking up trying to trade something or waking up like, oh, I saw this on Wall Street Bets. Let me invest in this. You need to do the research for yourself. You need to read the books. You need to get the mentor. You need to join the group. Don't join some big Discord with 20,000 people and the dude can't actually trade. He's just making money off of 20,000 people subscribing at $100 a month. They're making over $2 million a month off of your subscription. But you think all that Lambo and stuff is from their trades. Nah, bruh. You're cooked. But anyways, make sure that you're practicing, putting the work in. Number two, make sure you have those goals. Okay, keep that bar pretty low. So, for instance, I tell a lot of people like you need to chill out thinking you're gonna make $10,000 in a day, like every day. Like you need to chill out with that. Like you're a high school kid or you're some random person who's never traded in your life. You're not gonna do that. 10,000. Oh, I made 100K today. Like no, you're not gonna do that, and you probably don't deserve it because you didn't put the time in. Okay. So start off with small goals. $100, $50 a day, $100 a day. Most people don't even make $50 at their job, okay? Unless you're a doctor or something. Like, you probably don't make that much per hour at your job. So aim for the small goal and get consistent. Aim for small goals, get consistent. Decide what assets you like to trade or what type of trader you are. Because you don't know that yet. Are you a long-term trader? Are you a swing trader? Are you a position trader? Do you like to just day trade in and out? Decide what you want to do. And then last but not least, lock in on just one I would say one type of trading. So for instance, if you're trading options, only trade options for a little bit. If you're only trading stocks, trade stocks. If you're investing, focus on investing. Okay, don't try to like dibble dabble here and there. You're gonna never really understand how powerful you could be in any of those aspects. Like you might be trying to trade stocks and then trade options, and then that didn't work one day, so you're going to jump back to stocks, and then that doesn't work, so then you jump back to options. It works, and then you continue, and then you're all over the place. Okay, you're all over the place. So in the beginning, hone in, lock in, and become a professional in each aspect. Conquer and master each aspect, and then go crazy. That's my advice for the beginners. And you might want to watch the channel, like, share, subscribe, because there's a ton of good information on this channel. This is how, now this part right here, this second part of this video is going to be how I am approaching 2025 when it comes to trading, investing, all that good stuff. Okay. So as you know, I've been locked in on options for the past 2 years is when I've been trading options every single day. In the beginning, it was like L, 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 L. And then boom, it clicked because I started putting in the work. Every single night. I'm charting for hours and hours and hours, charting, researching, learning from different traders on Wall Street. I'm reading the books on the best traders of all time because to be the best, you got to emulate the best. You got to learn from the best. So I don't follow anyone on YouTube because now that I watch the videos, in the past I'm like, oh man, like I'm a sucker like most people, but now I'm watching these YouTube videos and I'm like right off the bat when someone starts to talk, I'm like they know nothing about trading. Like I'm like yo, this is cap. How did I fall for this in the past? Like how did I fall for this? Now I look at the video and I'm like, dang, I mean, I respect the hustle. Get people in your WhatsApp and your Discords and whatever. Do your thing. That's fine. I respect the hustle, but I could tell a lot of these YouTubers and stuff don't know how to trade. So what do you do? You got to go read these books. Go read the Market Wizards books, the Market Wizards series, and learn from the people who have actually traded and actually have made tons and tons of profit off of very little money. So the stories of those people going from hundreds of dollars to millions is actually real because they found inefficiencies in the market, but it takes years. It really takes years of dedication of locking in and developing the craft. It's not like, oh, this secret indicator is going to help you. So if you see a video, this secret indicator, 100% win rate, cap, bro, major cap. But this is the plan for me this year. So you already know I got my 3 indicators that I use to trade. I use the volume RSI, EMAs, and the Saudi ATRs. So ATRs, average true ranges. Strategy I'm using this year, I'm locking in on swing trades and day trades. And I trade options. I'm not investing this year. My goals are probably different from most people's goals. I don't really care about investing like that at all. And some people are like, oh, no, but you got to retire 401k. That's not my mindset. My mindset is not to retire. My mindset is not 401k. So if that's your mindset, you might want to switch off the video. I don't know. But anyways, the goal for this year is to master options. Towards the end of the year, I'm going to start to lock into investing again. I did really well investing with stocks early on, made a ton of money, and then I just kind of funnel that money into, investing in myself, joining masterminds, learning, okay? Anyways, in the beginning of the year and throughout the year, locking in on massive positions on swing trades. And I have a whole video on my strategy for that, but the strategy is basically going to be waiting for a 920 crossover to the upside, big momentum, big volume RSI, a market structure shift, boom, lock in on those swing trades. And there's going to be I'm going to take very, very, very few trades in 2025. What most people do is end up blowing up their accounts because they're putting on way too many trades. If you're putting on way too many trades, probably means that a lot of those trades are just FOMOing in. And there's not that many good setups all the time, especially if you're focused on a handful of stocks. Okay, there's not going to be that many good trades all the time. So you need to have a certain criteria, and I have my criteria of what I've studied the past 2 years, and especially this year, locking in on that set criteria. If I see it on my hand basket of stocks, boom, I'm taking it, and it's going to be a pretty big position. Okay, pretty big positions. Now, in the meantime, I will be day trading while I'm waiting for those setups to happen. I will be day trading, but that will be with a lot smaller size. And those day trades are also going to be looking for a set criteria. Okay, and it's pretty much the criteria that I kind of talk about with my IWM trades that you've seen on the recaps. And if you're in the Discord, you've seen pretty much the set criteria that I have when it comes to day trading. And if you're not in the Discord and you want to see these trades next year, you want to see these massive moves, and you want to see the trades that we've been putting on the past couple weeks on IWM, months on SPY, IWM, NVIDIA, Tesla. The link is in the bio, but don't join. Just learn on YouTube. I'm not one of those people who's like, oh, I joined the Discord. I don't want a big Discord. All right, I want people who are really serious around me. I don't want anybody else around me, okay? Because I honestly like to trade by myself, but I like the group of people that we have in the Discord. Very solid group of people who are really dedicated to the craft and really love to learn and really ambitious. That's the type of people I want around me. So don't join if that's not you. I do not want to be around you. I promise. But yeah, that's the goal for this year. This year, locking in on options and being the best options trader of all time. I'm going to be in one of those Market Wizards books. Mark my words. Doing a couple different challenges this year as well, and then I'm going to kind of document those as well on this page. So stay tuned. It's Mr. Fit to Flourish, your boy. I'm outie. Good morning, welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Let's talk wellness, finance, and growth.